Yeah, so we're out and about on an excursion, and we are taking pictures old school with a 35mm camera, a disposable camera. And Carolee and I are out on an excursion as a hands-on extension activity to our lesson on light energy. We're learning about frequencies and wavelengths and how it pertains to the physics of using a camera. We talked about the lenses, and we're kind of just diving a little bit deeper on creating filters. So, you know, we have filters on IG and Snapchat. Well, we're creating our own filter by simply taking, what, Carolee? Cellophane.
Oh, I don't know.
Cellophane, different colored cellophane sheets. She's got, what else you got in here? A magnifying lens and scissors. So you can do what?
Scratch up the lens.
Absolutely, so that we can scratch up the lens. So that when you take the pictures of Carolee, the goal is to get different what?
Colors or looks.
Different looks, colors, effects, exactly, of our camera. Yeah, so
I have like 23 left.
23 left.
I think I took like 2 or 3 pictures down there and 2 by accident.
So have you used one of these before?
No.
First time, so yes.
The ones that don't work when I was young.
Absolutely. So we're going to make our next stop and see what we discover. Carolee, tell me some of the vocabulary words that we have been focusing on the past couple of days.
Well, we've been learning wavelengths, amplitude,
Yep, convex.
And then, frequency.
Absolutely. Tell us a tiny bit about chromotherapy.
Sometimes I don't really, well, I use a LED light to sleep with because the purple light calms me down. So.
What about the red light?
Really
Why that look?
The red light, but it usually gives people nightmares.
It's not as calming energy. I get it. So that wavelength. So the wavelength and frequency of the purple or violet color is more preferable. That's what you're saying? Yeah, more calming. Better suited for sleep, relaxation. Join us in the dark room as we get a scope of the physics and chemistry of film development. This activity is a part of a larger 9-week African-centered, culturally based curriculum. To learn more about its offerings, visit sankofascience.com, where imagination leads to innovation.